All right, just adjusting. Hmm? Okay. Do you have your phone? So we can log in so I can see when people are in and comment and stuff? Okay. Ooh, there we go. All right. I think that's good. I'll have to have you log in and tell me if that looks good.
You're gonna turn into hot mess.
Yeah. Okay. I think we're good. Whoop, whoop.
And the other one here.
Okay. Yeah. Which is fine because it's early. So. All right. Oh, that's Rich's mom. Hi, Pam. All right. So, good morning. Yeah, it's still morning, isn't it? Today I'm in a different place. I am over at my sister's house. She is going to do Chocateur for the first time. Woo-hoo! So excited. So, if you want to just turn it down so that way I don't hear myself talking and be like, what? We are going to do a fun project today. This, I don't know if you guys remember, like a couple of videos ago, I showed you guys some canvases that I bought. This was a blank white canvas and I painted it up with just acrylic paint. We are going to chalk on this today. So I just want to kind of look and see. Okay, that's good. I know it's early, so there's probably not going to be very many people on right now. But when you do come on and watch the replay, if you could do me a favor, who could you share? If you could go ahead and hit that share button and please comment. That would be awesome. Let me know that you came in and watched it later on. That's cool. We've got extra kids here today other than little man. Can you wait till we're done? Okay, so I did put my website is in the description, so if there's anything that you see or you guys are ready to go browse the site and place your order, it is up there. I do want to say I am getting ready to run a special, and I'm going to go ahead and do it today since it's Friday. The special that I'm going to be running is from now until February 7th. Anyone who places an order of $20 or more and they get something Valentine's related, I am going to go ahead and ship you something free. It could be a free paste, a free transfer, maybe a couple of squeegees, something. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do, but from now until February 7th, anyone who places an order of $20 or more and has something, and they buy something Valentine's, they will be getting from me a free item. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. And that's just the beginning. That's just the first one. I've got a couple others coming down the line. Like I said, next week I've got a big announcement to make. So yeah. Also, I did post that the hard candy transfer is low quantities, guys. I think this morning when I checked, there was like 300 left. And from what I understand, they may get another small order of that in, but probably not before Valentine's. So if you're wanting to use that, which I posted a couple of pictures of some things that were made with it, it's really, really cute. You really want to place that order and get your hands on it now, because it's probably going to sell out this weekend, and then I don't know that it will be back in time, so go ahead and get your hands on that. Okay, so okay, hi Wendy. Wait, if you guys, when you come in, if you could say hi, that would be awesome. Don't be shy. Let me know that you're here. You know, you can talk to others that are watching too, kind of get to know each other. And I am here with sister. Say hi, sister. She's here. She doesn't want to talk. She's acting like she's shy. Okay, so today what we're going to do is we are going to chalk on this canvas. So I actually brought 3 different options for sister to pick. This was Cullen. This was the first one. Home, Sweet Home was option number 1. This one here, Hello, was option number 2. And then option number 3 was this Welcome Established transfer. So sister went ahead and decided that she wants to do the welcome sign. So that's the one we're going to work on today. This is Chalkature. We work with silkscreen transfers and Chalkology paste. So today we are going to be working with black. Sister picked black because she thought that would look good. So let's go ahead and get started. If you want to get out, yes, we're going to need that. Cut that up and actually we'll do, since we're doing the solid, we'll do the big one. This one? But I'm going to need a stick to stir this up with. Hi guys, hi Sam.
Come here, baby.
I've been talking to your husband on Xbox Live. Did he tell you we've been chatting back and forth? And how he's a big dum-dum for talking you out of doing this. Okay, so we're just going to pull out. This is a brand new transfer. So what we're going to need to do, oh, you smell it? Oh, it smells so good. So smell it, sister.
Can I smell Gigi?
That smells disgusting.
It smells good.
Okay, so what we're going to do is sister's going to cut this apart, and then we're going to have to fuzz up the transfer. So we'll give the scissors to her. And then, like I said, we're going to be doing black. So we're going to open up the Chalkology paste. And this is a new one. And this is one of the new formulated. He did tell you. I told him he was a big dum-dum and that he doesn't need to tell you things because he doesn't know what he's talking about. Okay, we're just mixing this up because you want to give it a good stir when you go to use it. You want to get all the air bubbles out and make sure that it looks like marshmallow fluff.
Come here, buddy.
All right. So now what we're going to do is, I told him, you told him the same thing. Yeah, don't listen to him no more. What's he know? Okay, so yes, good job. Sister knows what she's doing. Mark the back of your transfer.
Watched a video or 2.
Okay, so we're going to need this. So you have to lift your phone up. I don't want to knock it over. All right. I'm gonna let sister take over. So
No.
It's with the large transfers, you want to put it down because it's easier, so they don't.
Yeah. See, don't tell me to take it over there.
Okay, so we're pulling this off, and we're gonna go ahead and fuzz this up. Of what it means when you fuzz up a transfer is when they're brand new, they're super sticky. Which is fine if, you know, that's what you want is the super stickiness. But sometimes when you're working on things that are painted, if you don't fuzz them up, it will sometimes maybe pull up the paint. I don't think it'll do that because this is canvas, but we're just going to do it for the sake of doing it. He's right there. So you just rub on a towel to fuzz it up.
Hi, you dude.
Hi, yeah? Oh, yeah? And then we'll do this side here. Okay. So now, your sister will grab the canvas.
What are you doing?
I'm just sitting here assisting.
Which way do you want?
We decided that way.
Okay. So, we're gonna, if you'll stand up and center that for me.
Yeah, not the best. There we go.
Oh,
Back.
jeez. Someone's over there getting kind of angry. Here, let's see. Just want to center this.
I'm going to peel it off.
Okay, and then what you want to do is, like I said, you want to get the air bubbles out. So, I work from the center out. If anyone's watched before, then they know. Work center out. Work those bubbles out. We got another little helper here. You want to say hi? Tell everyone to say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so we'll move this over here. All right. Now, since this is all good to go, let me. It is. All right, sister.
Okay.
What you're gonna do is take that and put some gloves down.
Okay. Like Mommy did.
Mommy can do it.
I want to do it.
I bet you do, kiddo.
I want to do it, Mama. Let me do it.
No, Mommy's gonna do it. You can do one next time, okay?
Okay, but after Mommy, I want to do it.
Okay. So,
Is that
sister,
enough?
well, we'll see. Probably you might need a little bit more, but you're gonna need to work fast.
I want to do that.
Oh, Mama's doing it first, so everyone can see. This is sister's first time working with Chocateur, so I want everyone to see that it is as easy as I say it is. This is actually the first time I've worked with black. I've never done black.
You'll be in church because I'm doing it.
And all she's doing, guys, is just spreading the chalk paste around on the open part. No. She's just covering it all up.
I don't think I'm doing a very good job at this.
It's okay. As long as you're covering it, there's a couple spots here, but we'll get those. But see, it's not as scary as you think it is. It's not as hard as you think it is.
I haven't finished yet.
This is pretty much it. Basically, you just cover and
I need
pull.
more stuff.
Huh? We're making a sign.
You're making sound.
There's a spot there. And there's a couple over here. Here, let's see. I don't think you can see them because you're at a different angle. Okay, so now we just need to go through. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Get in the way here. All right. We just want to make sure that we get all those lines out. Watch out, Crystal. Okay. And now we just pull. You pull that side, I'll pull this side. Voila! Sister made it first time. She said it's not perfect, but okay. So if you will, if the one side is
There's a little
clean,
messed up.
it's okay. Just need to run this under warm water and wipe off the excess.
Warm water?
Yeah. But there it is, guys. There's sister's first sign. What do you guys think? You'll have to tell her what you think. I think it looks cute.
We're all done, so we're out here.
Okay, thank you.
Guys, we got construction going on here today and extra kids, and we're about to have lunch. And
But we're going to think about it if Alan can
We're
eat it.
babysitting.
Okay, right?
okay, so this is the welcome. Let me hold on.
Can we do this with you now?
No, we're almost done. This is the welcome transfer, guys. So it is available on my website if you want to go and do that. As you can see, it's like the whole length of my arm. So it is a rather large transfer. Bristol Lamb. But yeah, I think it looks really cute. So, like I said, my link is up there if you want to go to the website and place an order. I did say that I am running a special from now until February 7th. Anyone who places an order of $20 or more and has a Valentine-related thing in their order will get something free from me. I will ship it out to you once I see that you've placed an order through the website. And okay, so this is project number 2, day number 2. So I'm going to go ahead and get off here. Thank you guys for watching. When you come in and do the replay, make sure that you definitely hit the share button and comment. Let me know that you're here. Ask me any questions. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching.